Hey, it's Latanya again, TJ, with Solutions by TJ. And one of the commenters requested that I provide more information on the difference between Intuit, Mint, and Truebill. Because actually, I use them both. I mean, if you know anything about me, I'm an overachiever. So, yeah, I don't use just one. I use about three because if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, do it. Don't judge me. I'm just sharing here. Okay, let's get into Mint. So, what I like about Mint is that it shows things from a different view than Truebill. Mind you, it's a budgeting app. You can create goals, you can save money, and you can monitor your credit score. So, I like it. I've been using Mint since 2014. But the reason that I stick with Mint is because you can import your expenses into TurboTax. And I have a business, I itemize. So when I import that information into TurboTax, it's so much easier than not doing it. So that's why I just keep all of my information in Mint as well. But to be honest with you, I like Truebill better. And I like Truebill for the subscription monitoring because I'll forget, man, that I'm paying $5 here, 19.99 here. Netflix has gone up. I'll forget those things. So Truebill helps me monitor that. I also like the look of the itemized finances, right? I like that. So in Mint, as you can see, you have all of your accounts, upcoming bills, pretty much the same as Truebill. It shows you your credit score. Now you can monitor your credit score here, but you cannot fix your credit or raise your credit score using this app. But it'll show you your assets, debts, net worth, cash versus credit card debt. It gives you different views than Truebill does. I do like this, and this is one view that Truebill doesn't have. Um, you can see how much you've spent over your budget. Now, as you can see, I'm not doing so well on my budget. I've already spent over. I normally spend over, but I'm going to stop doing that. And that's one of my goals for 2020. This is how I figured out that Madison and I were eating $1,300 a month because I was going over budget. So Mint.com is good for that. They also have ways to save. So you get different banking offers, different insurance offers. Um, you know, get your credit score, see investments. I like this. I don't utilize this portion of it, but it's good to have if you want to take a look and get different quotes. Like I said, it shows you your credit score. And it tells you what you're doing good. They say my credit is good. I don't quite think so, but yeah, okay. It's decent. And it shows, what's affecting it the most, which is my age of credit. I have 8 total accounts and, you know, probably a few too many inquiries. But yeah, so this is Mint.com. And this is a screen that's sort of like Truebill as well, where you have this pie diagram that shows the itemization of your expenses. I like that. I just don't use this app for that. And that pretty much sums up Mint.com. I mean, I'd recommend that you take a look at it. I like it. Like I said, you can import your expenses if you're a business owner in a TurboTax, and that's the best part of it to me. So it's worth taking a look at. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Thanks.